Saturday night, stars align, skating through time on a cosmic line. Old school soul with a future design. From the inner to the outer, watch the spirit shine. Who am I? Waka! Who am I? Now everybody move your chakra, move your chakra, move your chakra. Now everybody move your chakra, move your chakra, move your chakra. There's a song for the new generation. No fear, no limitation, no guesswork, no hesitation. Only truth and creation. Straight from the root to the throat. Every word gotta flow, every note in the boat. Keep it moving, keep it woke. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like a jailer breaking chains, like a skater in the rain. Past and future in the same lane. Turn the pressure in the game. Who am I? Just wait and see. A frequency walking free from the inner to infinity. Yeah, as above, so below. From the sea, watch it grow. From the shelf of the inner self to the universe put on the shelf. From me to you to uni, we're all moving through. Who am I? Now everybody move your chakra, move your chakra, move your chakra. Now everybody move your chakra, move your chakra, move your chakra. Tell me why would you ever hide when we're riding on a cosmic tide? Open heart, nothing to divide. Every soul got a light inside. Forgive me if I feel strange. I don't always fit the frame, but every star ain't built the same, and every flame became a flame. Thinking twice, do I get a slice? Now I'll take a cup of tea